Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be showing you this watch. A major micro brand company liked what they seen on the channel, Early on Time Watch Reviews, and they contacted me. I'm talking about the brand Christopher Ward. Thank you, Neil from Christopher Ward, for getting in touch with me by email and asking if I would like to unbox and review a watch from their lineup. He gave me a choice. I picked a model of theirs from their website. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go and check out this watch and other watch offerings that Christopher Ward has. They're Swiss made. They're beautiful timepieces. I'm so humbled and thankful that they have reached out to me and loaned me this watch to the channel for review. So let's turn the camera around and have a look at what I got. It is absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is just opening up the package to see what you get with these watches. I'll measure it with Super Cali so you know the specifications and just give you my first impressions of the watch. Again, thank you so much, Neil at Christopher Ward, for sending this into the channel for me to review. Again, this is just the unbox and reveal at the moment though. So the watch box came with this outer sleeve with the Christopher branding logo on it. And I must say I'm very impressed with the packaging. This is a entry-level Swiss luxury watch for sure, and the packaging reflects that. Really nice packaging that it comes with. It's a wooden box and it has this nice outer sleeve on it that you just pull out like so. And there we go. And so we'll just set that there. So this outer sleeve has a nice felt liner in there, Christopher Ward branded on it. It's solid too. It's definitely not cardboard, and it has a nice outer layer. Almost feels like a pleather, fake leather, and really nice. We'll just set that to the side, and so we'll pull this up here. So inside the box, we get an owner's manual. You can see we have the C63 Sealander Automatic is the watch that we're going to be looking at today. It also comes with an amazing warranty. They call it their 60/60 guarantee. Basically, if you don't like the watch, within 60 days you can return it for a refund. And the movement that is in the watch, which is a Solita movement, a Swiss automatic movement, is guaranteed for 60 months or 5 years. So amazing warranty that Christopher Ward provides. It also came with a nice polishing cloth inside of this little packet here, and really nice sized polishing cloth as well, as you can see with the Christopher Ward logo branding on that. We'll set that to the side, and here it is. This is the watch. This is the Sealander C63, and this thing, first impressions, this thing is gorgeous. I really love the crisp, clean look of this dial. Now actually Neil was going to be sending me the white version, and so I was a little surprised when I opened up the box and it was this black version, but it is really nice. Let me just zoom in on the dial here for a moment so you can see it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Really looking forward to giving you guys a full review of this one. And you can see there is the Solita automatic movement. Nice display case back in this one. So let's measure this out with Super Cali, shall we? And you can see what dimensions that we are dealing with. So we have a case diameter of 39 millimeters. 39 millimeters. Case thickness of 11.7 millimeters. Let's do your lug to lug length here. Oh, bracelet's flopping around there. Lug to lug is, here we go, 46 mil. 46 mil lug to lug, and the lug width at the lugs is going to be 20 millimeter lugs. So that's it, guys. That is the Christopher Ward C63 Sealander Automatic. Really nice dimensions on this. I can tell you it fits really beautifully on the wrist. Stainless steel bracelet. You have a nice milled clasp as well. Christopher Ward branded there on the milled clasp. Get that in the right lighting there. There we go. Snaps on double security pushers to unlock it. Very, very nice. Thank you so much, Neil and Christopher Ward, for allowing me to highlight this watch on my channel. Let me show it to you on the wrist. Well, this is what I am wearing on my wrist today. This is the Bulova Lunar Pilot, and oh my goodness, this is a gorgeous piece. I will be reviewing this one in a couple of weeks' time, but let's take a look at this Christopher Ward now. And here's what the Christopher Ward looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. This is absolutely beautiful. What a stunner of a piece. I can't wait to review it for you. Thanks for stopping by and checking out another video. Let me know what you think about this C63 Sealander Automatic in the comments below. If you like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Really appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one where we review this beautiful watch by Christopher Ward. Until then, God bless. Have a good one.